My fourth video for the videos on procurement and purchasing or buying, and apart from that, in sales and uh, having the highest clients. So making a comparative statement. This is going to be the fourth video. So in the index, as I showed you, I have made videos, different videos, and let me give brief about what are the videos I have done in. So you can just refer to my previous video. So this is a set of vendors who are having giving me different prices, and I want to see who is the which is the minimum, and in the minimum who is the vendors who is giving the lowest ones, and who is giving in the maximum and in the highest one. So I have used min function and max function for this, for those two. And if I want to see one, two or more vendors, so I can use the small function. So this is going to be small and small two. So this is the answers for those who are the small, and who is the lowest vendor, two, and here the highest large, one large two, and the highest one and highest two. So now something, this is the same thing which is in min. But what I want to do is I want to remove, I want to get rid of this, I want to extract, I want to remove this column min, and I want to remove the column max. So I want to make it directly, I don't want to rely on this column. So the function what I want to do is I want to get the answers directly without using this column, because I have a conservative, I have a constant space, or I have a limited space. So I don't want to add too many things in the work, in the report. So what I'll be doing is I'm getting rid of this. So I'll be just hitting the delete button. So you can see this was already relied on this, so already it has become not available. So the data is not available. So apart from this also, if I want to remove this, and you can see it's not available. So but my answer, if it is my answer is zero, you can see if my answer is zero, you will get the answer, because the zero is the lowest. So still you can see if the answer is zero, you will get the answer. And here also, if the answer is zero, you can get the answer. So let's remove this column, let's delete this, and let's delete this. So you have nothing left. So from the lowest, when you do this, let me start with doing the without the minimum function. So what I'll be doing is, first I'll having the minimum function. So just have some patience. I'll be showing you why I'm using this and how to get in the minimum inside the match. So I'll be selecting the same thing which we did in the previous video, and I'll be closing the parenthesis. So this is the lowest one. The lowest vendor is tree R&D. So when I double click this, you can get you can see the answers. So who is the lowest? I want to get the answer. So I'll be doing a match. So what I'll be doing is same way I will be doing a match. MATCH, open parenthesis. So now the lookup value, I don't want to. Before I used to give the lookup value as a minimum column, but now I already have a lookup value in this. So I don't want a lookup column. I'll be giving a comma. I will be giving a lookup array. So my lookup array is the same thing. So again, I'll be selecting the same, and I will be giving the exact amount as zero, and I will be closing the parenthesis. So you can see the lowest vendor over here is 1 and 2. So I'll be double clicking that, and you can see the answer here. So now I want to get a vendor for this. What I'll be doing is I want to have an index for this. So I'll be going to, so this is my index, this is the vendors I want on board. So my index, okay, so as I told you, this is not an array, this is a row number. This is going to be a row number. So the index will be an array. Index and array is here. So the index will be this, and I have to lock my index. So I'll be doing F4 comma. Now you can see this is my array, this is my row number. I don't have a column number. So I have to see how many parentheses are open. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So I'll be closing this and hitting enter. Now you got the answer for the lowest vendor. The same thing I'll be doing for the highest highest one. So here, what I'll be doing, I'll be doing in the reverse format, which I was showing you in the previous videos. So I'll be starting from index. Starting from index, open parenthesis. As I told you, array will be this, and I will be locking this comma. So inside this, I want a row number. So row number will be a match function. The match function will be having a maximum value. We had a minimum value in this, so now we're having a lookup value will be in the maximum. So max open parenthesis. So where will be the max function? It will be this array till h3. I'll be closing the parenthesis. So now you can see this is the lookup value. And where is the lookup array? So I'll be giving a comma. It is in the same way, same value. And the match type is 0. I'll be closing the parenthesis. So 1, 2, 3 open. 1, 2, and I want to close one more. 3. 3 are open and we hit enter. Now you got the answer. Double click down. So now I showed you the both ways how to get the answers for those things. This doesn't have the answer because there is no numeric values. So as the same, they don't have the answer. So this is the way we can do the uh, index and match and something called minimum or maximum without having the column on board. So in next video, I'll be showing you how to use the small for the same thing, small 1 to small 3, and how to get two or more highest or lowest vendors in the same row. So thanks for watching. Keep watching my videos and see you in the next video.